folks, welcome back to my channel Rides with Richie. I hope you're safe and well today. My name is Richie D'Souza and I make a few videos about motorcycles, motorcycle travel, accessories and maintenance. Today this video is about motorcycle helmet which I bought. That is the HJC Rpha 70. I have been using this LS2 for 4 years now. This is the only helmet which I have been using for all my trips, and this has served me well. The good thing about this helmet was it was cheap when I bought it. I bought it locally in Cork over here from Lee Motorcycles, and if I remember it right, I think I paid around 150 euros for this helmet. This has my motor vlogging setup as well on it, and it has the Freedcon Bluetooth system as well. This helmet is not the lightest in the market. It is heavy and it has served me quite well. Only the disadvantage of this helmet was it was very loud at highway speeds, and right now, as you all know, I am riding a Honda VFR 800 and the windscreen is not as good as the adventure motorcycles, hence you get a lot of wind buffeting and turbulence. I have made a video about how to get rid of the wind buffeting and turbulence on the VFR 800, and I will put the link to that in the screen and as well as in the description below. Please check it out. In case if you are here for the first time on my channel, welcome. Please do not forget to subscribe and like and comment. It helps me to grow my channel. And so this is my older helmet. Let's put it aside and let's see what do we have over here. So this is the box which it arrived in. I ordered this helmet from motocard.com. I had been to Lee Motorcycles to buy this helmet, and it was around 450 euros over there. And then when I checked online in motocard.com, I found this helmet for only 320 euros shipped to Ireland. Motocard.com has not sponsored this video, and their service is not great either. The first helmet which I ordered from them, it got lost in the transit somewhere in Paris or something, and it never arrived. I was waiting for the helmet for a month, and then when I got in touch with them, they were not even sending me a new helmet without getting a clarification from the logistic company where the other helmet was gone. To be very precise now, I was waiting for approximately 2 months to receive this helmet. That is not very good. Like, it is a very slow service from them, but it was quite cheap, so 320 euros, and I was not very much in need of a helmet because I already had my LS2, hence I was all right. So let's not talk any further, and let's open the box and see what is in it. That's the Rpha helmet. Let me open this, and I have already opened this before I made this video just to see if the helmet was damaged or what. It wasn't, luckily, and it has a lovely bag inside in it. So okay, let's get rid of this box from here. So that's the helmet itself. So it has one more layer of protection inside, and then there comes the beauty. I ordered it in matte white. I strongly believe that brighter helmets make the motorcyclist more visible on the road, and hence I went for the white color. I have planned to put a few graphics on this myself. I might make a video about that as well on a later day. So that's the helmet itself. It comes with the pin lock. I'll show you the pin lock as well. And if I may show you what else is in the box, there is this owner's manual or user manual, and then there are a couple of stickers which you can use for your motorcycle. And do they have any reflective stickers in this? No. And then we have our pin lock. All right, I'm going to insert the pin lock. Let me see if they have the reflective stickers. Doesn't look like. Only these two stickers are here. That's fine. Let me put this aside. And so in comparison to this helmet is quite small and quite light as well. And in case if you're wondering what size helmets do I use a XL size. It's mentioned over here. So if I'm explaining you a few features of this helmet, it has got very secure visor. You have to click this button to open the visor. It gets locked and it doesn't open accidentally on high speeds. There is a small switch over here. I don't know if you can focus. There is a small black switch over here with which you can lock the visor as well, so that you can't open it. I don't know how that is very useful, but it is a feature anyways. And there are a couple of vents over here in the bottom for the chin, and then there is a nice scoop of vent over here. I don't know how that operates. Does that? Oh yeah, it operates like this. You push it ahead to close, and to open, just lift it up. This helmet is not very well known for its airflow, but here in Ireland it's cold most of the time, so I don't complain much about that. And then there are a couple of small vents over here as well. There is one over here as well. Alright, and there is the wind channel which goes from the back. Inside it looks pretty nice, and they have this technology called as polyhygiene, is it? Yeah, they have the technology called as polyhygiene, with which the internals of the helmet remain hygienic. I don't like one thing about this helmet, that is the strap. It is the ratchet strap. No, not the ratchet strap, the D loops. I have to get used to it. It might take me some time, but what can I do? I have to live with it. I have heard that this helmet is extremely quiet compared to the other helmet. I'm going for a test ride after this video, and we'll see how quiet it is. And now it's time to insert the pin lock right away. It's pretty simple to take out the visor of this helmet. You have to just open the visor and then just click this button towards back, and the visor comes out. There we go. That's the visor which has come out, and now I'm going to insert the pin lock. I hope there is no dust or anything on this. Is there a protective film in this? Doesn't look like. Okay. So to insert the pin lock, you have to hold the helmet visor and then just slot it into the pins where it is supposed to be. It takes a bit of a time, but it's not very difficult. You have to flex it. Do not be worried to flex it as much as possible. Yeah, and then make sure that it is sealed properly in all areas. And then this has silicone seal on it, so it should be sealed in the first place when you insert it straight away. Looks like this is sealed. And then remove the protective filming. There we go. And then inserting it back onto the helmet. To insert the visor back onto the helmet, you have to just place it into the slot and then give it a press, and then it gets slotted in automatically. Where is it? That's it. And then close the visor. Now it's time to remove the protective film. This is the exciting part. Look at that. Beautiful. Lovely. All right. I'm very excited to wear this. First, let me remove this D-ring and let me wear it and see how it feels. I'm not used to the D-rings at all. My good Lord. All right, there we go. Moment of truth. I have to take this out. Yeah, that's it. Push it aside, and then time to put the lid on. Oh wow, this looks quite good. It feels really nice and secured. And then there is a chin curtain. It's a bit tight on my cheeks. Yeah, it's a bit tight on my cheeks. Apart from that, it is a snug fit around my head on top. There is no problem whatsoever. The visibility is not bad as well. You can see the helmet a little bit, but adventure helmets are better in giving you better visibility anyways. So maybe it might take a few days for me to break this in, but still, if you want to know how it looks on my head, yeah, no helmets look good on the head anyways. So now it's time for me to go for a spin and experience how quiet it is on the road. Another feature of this helmet is the sun visor. As you can see, it is quite good feature. In case, this is a tab over here which you can open and close the visor. It can be done with one hand while you're riding. If you don't have your sunglasses, this might come in handy. Good one. Let me wear it and see how does that look, if it is really dark or really bright. I could never use the one from the LS2 because it was too dark. Let me see this. So, wow, this is not very dark. This is good. I can still see the camera. I can still see outside. Nice. It is getting quite dark now. It's already evening. So yeah, very good feature. Lovely. I'm going to move all the accessories from my old LS2 to this particular HJC Rpha 70 over here, and I'm going to make a video about that as well. Maybe not today, but some other time. So let's go for a spin and test this helmet out. So folks, I'm on my motorcycle right now on the VFR 800 hitting the road, and surprisingly this helmet is comfortable. It's a bit tight near my forehead, but with time I believe it will be all right. And the first impressions is it is so much more quieter than my LS2 for sure. Okay, now we'll hit the bit faster roads in a minute there and see how it performs. I can certainly hear the wind gushing through, but not as loud as what it was in the LS2 for sure. Oh, there is a nice bit of airflow going on over here as well. Wow, my head is feeling cold on top. Nice. Since I'm bald, I can feel every bit of airflow near my head, and in the winter I don't think it's a very good thing. As I mentioned earlier, this helmet is much more quieter and much more comfy as well. As a brand new helmet, the visibility is very clean. Definitely the windscreen, or sorry, the visor is not fogged or anything. In a minute now we'll be hitting a bit of the faster roads. Let me put the visor down and see. Wow, visor looks really nice. The sun visor, I mean. I put the sun visor down, and I think this should serve me not to wear my sunglasses anymore. It is always advised that we should wear earplugs when riding motorcycles, however quiet your motorcycle is, however quiet your helmet is, because once you lose your hearing, you're never ever gonna get it back. So I always recommend using earplugs. I use Alpine Moto earplugs, which are excellent. There are two earplugs in it. One is red and one is black. Red is for race use, and the black one is for road use. I'm going to make a video about that as well in a few days, so hopefully very soon when I get some time. Alrighty lads, shall we? We'll be hitting the faster road now in a minute, and it will be interesting to see how quiet this helmet is. Not a bad day out here in Cork, isn't it? It's not very cold today. VTEC. Wow. This is much more quiet than my LS2 for sure at highway speeds. I think I can use my regular motovlogging setup with the regular mic on this instead of using the voice recorder. Okay, now I might do with a bit more speed than what I did earlier. Let's see. All right. Actually, I can hear myself talking in this helmet, and yeah, I'm impressed. It's good. It's super, and it's surprisingly very comfortable as well. Yesterday, when I was wearing it inside the house, I was feeling like it's gonna be a bit tight, but it's not. It's not actually very tight. Alrighty folks, so that's it for the review, our first impressions of my brand new HJC Rpha 70. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to leave me a like, comment or subscribe to my channel. It helps me to grow my channel, and it keeps you notified for future videos which I make for sure. So thank you very much for sticking around and staying tuned and supporting my channel so far. And I will see you in the next one. Take care, ride safe, bye bye.